Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos, where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing your immune system. Understand, we don't just have an immune system as much as we are an immune system, with multiple body parts and systems working synergistically together to fend off foreign invaders and protect the body. Think your skin, your white blood cells, your thymus, your bone marrow, your lungs, your liver, mucus, sneezing, coughing, the acidity in your stomach, and much more. These are all things working together to protect you from foreign invaders. Isn't it interesting how many drugs stop processes like sneezing, like coughing, like mucus? These are processes that your body is using to expel foreign invaders to get out, and then we're going to try to stop them? Does that make sense to you? One chiropractic proverb is, don't have a dump. Rats are attracted to dumps. If you don't want rats, then don't have a dump. So when it comes to immune system support, consider your lifestyle. Things like sugar and stress are known to decrease the function of your immune system, while chiropractic adjustments, cleanliness, increase the immune system function. For nutritional support, one of my favorite vitamins is Immuplex. Immuplex is like a multivitamin for your immune system. Echinacea is one of my favorite herbs. Increasing the health of your digestive system can be another important aspect for boosting your immune system function. So remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? And this can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.